The dust test. I helped develop this tool because it's one of the best methods of really understanding what's in your dust. And if you want to know what you're breathing in 20,000 times per day, believe me, you should be looking at your dust. If you've ever sat near a window on a sunny day and you saw the ray of light refract off the dust, you know exactly what I mean when I say this. Your dust is everywhere. The dust test can help you find hidden problems behind walls, hidden problems behind ceilings, hidden problems in places like attics and crawl spaces and HVAC systems. Why is that? Because what mold does on this planet is constantly reproduce when the conditions are right for it to do so. Those spores aerosolize, meet with the dust that's already in our air, become part of the dust where it settles among surfaces. Why does this matter? Because this test can give you a history of what you might be breathing in when air tests, surface tests, and other forms of inspection technologies can miss the boat. Now, this test is not going to identify exactly where the problem's coming from, but it's going to tell you accurately if you have a problem. This is the first place that you start. Imagine knowing what you're breathing in just a few days. That's what this technology can do for you.